What's good, man? Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, where we spend all the info that they don't want you to know. And today we doing things a little bit differently, man. Y'all see, I got y'all with me in the Benz in the middle of a rainy day in the A. But usually I get into the charts, man, on the channel and tell y'all about tech analysis. And I noticed that I haven't really went over the mental game, the heavy mental game that trading is, man. And I want to reiterate that trading is really a 70% mental battle. And there's certain things that you have to develop for you to be a profitable trader and for you to make 30 racks in a month since the year just started, like me in the Discord did. You understand what I'm saying? So today we're going to be going over how to take a loss, man. I ain't going to keep y'all in this video for too long, but we do have some things to discuss because this is a big problem that I see most traders have, like myself included, man. I have had a lot of problems learning to take losses in the stock market, and we're going to be going over how you take a loss in the stock market and how this can correlate with life in general, man. You got to be able to take a loss in life. So let's get straight into it, man. Check this out, man. I want to start off by saying y'all need to get through y'all thick skull that there's no such thing as a perfect trader, man. This game of trading is not meant for you to win. It's not meant for retail traders to win. You got to understand that the markets are being moved by market movers and financial institutions that's out of our hands. So with that being said, you're not going to always win. There's no such thing as a perfect NBA player. Does LeBron hit every shot? No, but he's great at what he does. You understand what I'm saying? Does the best golfer, Tiger Woods, does he get a hole-in-one in every match that he played? No. You understand what I'm saying? So this game is very much more about winning way more than you're losing. You understand what I'm saying? So when you do take losses, you have to learn to take them and not beat yourself up and then revenge trade so you're losing even more money. Revenge trading is the #1 account blower in this trading thing, whether it's trading options, trading forex. You understand what I'm saying? Any type of trading you're doing, I've seen it too many times. You can't revenge trade, man. You have to develop certain traits and make it a habit of being disciplined when you do take losses to still have a good day, man. Still get up, take a shower, get in motion, go work out if you like working out. You understand what I'm saying? You can't let it beat you up for the day and get in your head. You have to understand to realize what you did wrong. Listen to this. Every time y'all take a loss, right, I want y'all to turn that loss into a lesson. Don't even think about it as a loss. You understand what I'm saying? And once you start thinking about it like that, like, damn, what did I do wrong to do better next time so I can avoid this? You understand what I'm saying? Instead of going to sleep for the day, waking up the next day and trading without learning what you did wrong the prior day. You understand what I'm saying? Trading is not gambling. If you want to do like that, man, you might as well put in the 6-leg parlay every day and pray on your odds with that. You understand what I'm saying? You have to be able to learn how to take a loss, how to stop your loss in this game. And trust me, I'm not just talking from what I've seen posted on Instagram or what I've seen posted on a meme of a dude losing 10K. I have been the one. I've never traded with a demo account, never in my life. So when I first hopped in and saw how quick that you could lose $8,000 over leveraging when I had no business spending 20K on NVIDIA put options, you understand what I'm saying? And just a poor execution all around. I had to go back and say, okay, what am I doing wrong? Why am I doing this wrong? I had to hit the books a little harder. Okay, I might know a little something, but I need to know a little more, obviously. You understand what I'm saying? And when I did take the first couple losses, yeah, you can only imagine, man. I'm a trap ninja. You understand what I'm saying? I ain't never seen 8K get lost off of bags or the other stuff that I used to dibble and dabble with. I'm gonna just put it like that in 0.2 seconds in the market. You understand what I'm saying? I've never seen nothing like that happen with the trap. So it's like when I had did it and tried to flip to take the legal route, I'm like, man, I'm losing money off rip. I'm like, bruh, what am I gonna do? You understand what I'm saying? But I had to tell myself, like, okay, anytime I've took a loss any other time in my life, right, did I let it beat me up or did I keep going? Did I keep going? This is just something new. This is something you're new at. You're not supposed to be perfect off rip. You're not even supposed to be great off rip. You're really supposed to suck off rip. That's what a demo account is for. That's what, hold on. Yeah, that's what a demo trading account is for, man. Practice. Don't be scared to practice. And embrace the losses when you are losing on your demo account. Say, why am I losing and how am I going to do it better? Why and how am I going to do it better, man? Instead of, man, I suck at this and maybe I'm going to just take another route. No, it's just like basketball. Like I said, you got to hit the gym, bro. You got to get your reps in. You understand what I'm saying? Don't cry about a loss. Shake back. You understand what I'm saying? And then when you are losing, when we're talking about specifically trading, losing and trading, don't be one of them people to you know how I said, revenge trading is one of the biggest account killers. Bag holding is also one of the biggest account killers that I know. You understand what I'm saying? And this is me talking from a personal experience and from people that I've seen around me when they're in calls and it's going down all day, but they're praying to God that it just goes back up, not using any stop losses. Like, why are you trading like this? If the point is for the wins to outweigh the losses, how are you quick sniping on a 30% gain and taking profit and then letting your losses run to 100% loss and think that you're going to wind up being a consistently profitable trader? It doesn't work like that. That's not how this game works. Like, you got to be real with yourself for a second and stop and say, okay, even if we're talking like stop outs, okay, even if I do take a 10%, 20% stop out on each trade, but catch that banger, my wins is going to outweigh my losses. And then what do I do after the losses? What did I say do? Learn how you can do better and why you lost. You understand what I'm saying? Instead of beating yourself up, instead of trying to revenge trade, instead of trying to flip sides too fast. Oh, my call's not in, so I'm gonna hop in puts. Now you just caught calls and near resistance, not knowing this about to reverse in 0.2 seconds on your ass. So it's like, it's a lot that goes with this taking losses concept when it comes to trading, man. And when we're talking about in a life, you have to, I'm pretty sure you've been told this. I'm pretty sure you know this by now. You're over 18 if you're watching this 9 times out of 10, bro. And if you don't know now, you know. Losses come in life, bro. Losses come in life. Y'all see, check my back window. Y'all see how that's clear and the rest of my windows is tinted, right? My car just got broken into, man. I was out of town taking care of my daughter for Christmas. You understand what I'm saying? Spending family time. Guess what happened? I hops on Instagram one morning, right? Off the wake up. My manager, because I make music too, so my music manager, she had sent me a post. It was of ATL Scoop, right? Guess whose car was on the front of ATL Scoop? Mine and everybody downstairs in my garage, man. Did I get mad and let it fuck up my day? I almost did. I almost let it mess up my whole day. But then my brother said to me, he said, man, luckily you blessed that you have the money to pay for it, bro, and you didn't have anything in your car. After he said that, guess what I did, man? I worked out and continued my day just as perfectly fine, man, because that's all I can do. It's nothing you can do besides shake back and take it as a lesson. Now, what was the lesson from that I learned? Never to park my car downstairs outside of the garage gate, man. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm not going to keep y'all here for too long today, man. That's really all I wanted to tell y'all about, man, and reiterate to y'all is we keep this series going. I want to do one about discipline next, man, when it comes to the mental of trading, because that's the second biggest thing, man. Learning to take losses and discipline. Discipline really might be the first, but we starting it backwards. Any which way, man, I'm about to go in this gas station, give me some snacks, man, and I'm going to yap in with y'all soon. Peace.